As we know that computer is a electronic device. By computer we make our work easier, and there are many part of computer such as keyboard, mouse, printer, CPU, and as we know that there are many various type of computer such as supercomputer, mainframe computer, and there are many uses of computer in different ways such as school for student can learn better English and they can understand better for their computer, and they can make their education quality good. And in the purpose of business, computer is also necessary. In business purpose we can make trade by computer online, we can purchase online thing and sell the thing, we can earn money. By computer we can make videos and edit videos such as YouTube videos. We can create video and we can upload on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and Instagram. We can earn money. And now the main point is that computer is more useful day by day. Now the AI came. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It make the man easier. It make the man useless because it work more than 100 people at one time. It can do work itself. Instruction given by a person, he can make himself prepare in few minutes or few seconds. By AI we can ask everything such as about Taj Mahal, so he can create history and he can provide us about the history of Taj Mahal. By computer we can learn a lot of things, general knowledge and all things about live. We can also see live videos and many other watching facility movies, and by connecting the internet in our computer. There are demerit also car computer. If you use more than its usage time computer, so it may be heat and it create global warming. And if we make a lot of uses of computer, so it will harm our body and body posture and our eyes and all body organs. And there are many fraud also available in computer, such as snatching. Also we can send message to one person to another person, so they can got information how to hack or how to snatch the one person to another person. They can make information. By computer we can make our work easier, such as we can calculate data in one time at thousands of digit we can calculate in 1 second. By computer we can make tuition online. We can teach online students and earn money, and we can teach online. By computer we can earn money by shopping. We can install in computer Flipkart, Amazon online shopping app. We can purchase app and we can resell it on and make profit ourselves. By computer we can also create videos and earn with money. By computer we can make poster of Indo-America, such as there are many also sites are available for making videos, photos and editing main purpose. So we can edit just like Photoshop, and AI also are used for main purpose of editing. And there are new features are also available in computer, such as day by day our computer is growing up in the high speed, by which we can not afford it. If we want to afford a good computer, so we can purchase of about 50,000 around money. If we have not want to purchase, so we can not use, we are useless.